Hare Krishna, we are back to Mahabharata stories. Let us see the day 15 with Dronacharya. He did the lotus formation and was counted with Vajra formation from Pandavas. After Drupada and Virata were killed by Drona, Bhima and Drishtadyumna fought because Drona had Brahmanda Hastra. It destructs the entire solar system. Please go through my previous episodes about Astras. Krishna tells Yudhishthira that Drona would give up his arms if his son Ashwadhama died. So, Yudhishthira lies to Drona, which disheartens Dronacharya. It was actually the elephant Ashwadhama who died. So Dronacharya, he lays his weapons before Drishtadyumna to avenge his father's death and satisfy his vow. At this time, Kunti secretly meets Karna and takes promise to spare Pandavas. Karna promises Kunti that he would spare all except Arjuna. But he added, would not fire same weapon twice on Arjuna. So on day 15, we see the teacher Drona, who taught both Pandavas and Kauravas, died on the battlefield. On day 16th of Mahabharata war, the Kaurava formation was Makara Vyuha, that is crocodile. Pandavas countered it with Ardha Chandra Vyuha, that is crescent moon, also called as Chandrakala Vyuha. Here Karna led the Kaurava army and Arjuna with King Yudhishthira led the Pandava army. Bhima used iron lances against Karna enemies. Arjuna killed his charioteer and sent Karna running away from the battlefield. Ashwathama killed his 4 horses. Ashwathama defeated Drishtadyumna. Satyaki prevented Ashwathama from killing him. Let us see on the 17th day of the Mahabharata war. Many events occurred this day. Karna's son Bhanasena is killed by Bhima. Arjuna kills Karna that he was his older half-brother. Pandavas formed Mahisha Vyuha, that is, buffalo form, with soldiers stretched out into horns. On day 18, Shalya takes over Kaurava forces. Yudhishthira kills him with spear. Sahadeva kills Shakuni. Nakula kills Uluka, that is son of Shakuni. Duryodhana flees as his uncle Shakuni died. What is the importance of number 18? Please refer to my previous episodes. Kindly subscribe, watch, enjoy to know our samskar. Lord Krishna killed Kamsa at the age of 18. Jarasandha attacked Mathura and the Yadavas 18 times. Jarasandha attacked them for 18 years. Shishupala was killed at the age 54. That is, divided by 3 is equal to 18. 18 numbers symbolize elements of human body. It is said as
on the
angel
right
number
path
and can
should
be a
trust your
message from
spiritual
universe.
guidances. In Mahabharata, it is 18 divisions of army. Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters. Central text in Mahabharata has 18 chapters. This shows the journey through enlightenment also represents human body and mind. Continue with the story. Bhima victoriously attacked Duryodhana. This insultingly kicked Bhima. He moaned as it was illegal to attack below the waist. This story of Duryodhana tying leaf and going in front of his mother Gandhari should be seen in my last episodes. Don't miss to understand the story. Moral is, mother is a holy person next to God, so nothing to feel ashamed with her yogic instructions. Bhima killed Duryodhana. Balarama felt bad, but Krishna stopped him as for his evil deeds. Thinking of his character, Duryodhana proclaimed that he would die happily. After Duryodhana's death, Sanjaya loses his divine vision, which symbolizes the end of war. Please note, after the war, Yama explained that Kauravas had been allowed into heaven because they died as warriors on the battlefield. Vyasadeva tells the dead warriors all return into the Bhagirathi river to go back to the worlds they came from. It is said, old blind King Dhritarashtra, Kunti, Sanjaya, Vidura, Queen Gandhari lives for forest for 15 years. They lived in ashrama of King Satyayupa on the banks of Bhagirathi. Please continue watching my channel and subscribe.